Thinking of a DIY door replacement? Here's what can go wrong when you choose to install your own door. Most homeowners don't understand what it takes to properly replace a door, which can lead to major issues. So what exactly are the problems that can arise from installing your own front door? Improper fitting. Wrong size doors can lead to several problems like lopsided entry, water leaks, air drafts, security issues, broken door frames, and more. Structural compromise. Professionals will ensure the stability and strength of your door opening and frame before installing your new door. Higher energy bills. When doors are installed incorrectly or are poorly insulated around the frame, it's easy for outdoor air to drift in, affecting the temperature of your home and raising your bills. Break-in susceptibility. When installed incorrectly, entry doors become vulnerable to kick-ins and easy access. Professional door installers use innovative door security techniques. Water leaks. When doors are incorrectly sealed or installed to perfection, they prevent water from penetrating your home, no matter how hard it's raining. Call the leading Boston window and door company at Solid State Construction today at 508-714-7438 to discuss door replacement options.